Hello and welcome back everybody to Hurds Hill Gourmet Tricks and Treats, and we have a real trick and a treat today. And about 200, 300 years ago, in a galaxy far, far away, as they say in all the best movies, I used to make a starter called Soufflé Herefordshire. And this was a fantastic starter which I'm going to show you. Nobody will know what's in it, and it takes about a minute to make. And I forgot about it for years and years and years, and then my food hero Simon Hopkinson wrote a piece in Country Life and he revived it. So he found it in this book called The Good Food Guide Dinner Party Book, published in 1971. And if you can get hold of a copy, they're like hen's teeth, but it's a really good book, part of our cookery book collection. And inside you will see my original recipe for Soufflé Herefordshire. I reckon it's from about 1975 or 1976. So I'm going to show you what it is, and I think you'll be amazed by it. So first of all, it has very few ingredients, and we just need to put them all in the whizzer. So all that's in it is 150 grams of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and this is the secret ingredient. Now this is Campbell's condensed consommé, and you can no longer get it in England. So this was sent over for me from the USA. This, the concentrated one, contains gelatin, and that's what we need. But actually, since I've been doing this again, there isn't enough gelatin in it any longer. So you need 1 200 ml can of consommé, and you need to add 1 sheet of gelatin. Even if you buy the consommé concentrate, you still need to put the 1 sheet of gelatin in it. So we just add that to this, and that's it. And then we just whiz it up. Now this will make 4 small ramekins, and I've got 2 gold and 2 silver, just for a bit of effect. So Simon Hopkinson, he tells you to put some prawns in the bottom, half a dozen prawns in the bottom, which I've done on the ones I've already finished, which I'm going to show you, so we'll see. The original didn't have prawns in it, but he's upgraded it a little bit, I think. So here we are. This is a starter for 4. You don't want any more than this because it's extremely rich, and you will find it's too much. You can finish that off when it's set by putting a layer of gelatin on the top of it, or as I've done here, I've just scrunched up the gelatin. I put some by and put it on the top. I just finish that off with a little bit of parsley. Oops, make it a bit, drop that on a bit. And I'm going to serve that with Melba toast. Now, you may well not know how to make Melba toast. It's not particularly difficult, although you've got to be careful. You first of all need to just toast ordinary sliced bread, cut it to the shape that you want, take a very good serrated knife, and very, very carefully slice that toast in half. When you've done that, you put it on the grill, and you'll end up with 2 very fine pieces of Melba toast, like these. Okay, so that's it, and enjoy, but whatever you do, don't tell anybody.